Hello, everyone. It's Joe here from Joseph Lake Photography, your trusted source for the latest in tech news, gear reviews, and photography insights. In today's video, we're diving deep into some incredibly exciting leaks from DJI, a company that continues to redefine the boundaries of innovation in drone technology, audio, and visual gear. From a compact version of the popular DJI Mic Mini to the budget-friendly goggles N3 and hints about the much-awaited DJI Mavic 4, there's a lot to cover. So, if you're a fan of high-tech gear or an enthusiast of DJI's products, stick around for the latest insights. Let's start with the DJI Mic Mini, a product that many audio creators and field reporters have been eagerly anticipating. The Mic Mini appears to be nearly half the size of the original DJI mic, ideal for creators looking for lightweight, travel-friendly solutions. Smaller in size but still durable, the Mic Mini is perfect for anyone wanting high-quality sound without bulky equipment. According to insider leaks, the Mic Mini will still offer 32-bit float recording, essential for capturing high-quality, distortion-free audio, even in challenging environments. Plus, noise cancellation and 14-hour battery life might be included, making it incredibly useful for long sessions. Rumored pricing places the Mic Mini somewhere between $175 and $225, a competitive range considering its advanced features. Next up, let's dive into the world of FPV drones and immersive technology with the DJI Goggles N3. Known for making FPV experiences accessible, DJI's latest goggles offer a more budget-friendly alternative to the premium Goggles 3. The Goggles N3 will likely work seamlessly with DJI's entire FPV lineup, including entry-level drones like the DJI Neo. These goggles offer a simplified setup, making them great for beginners who want to explore FPV flight without a steep learning curve or significant investment. Unlike the Goggles 3, the N3 is rumored to forego the advanced diopter system to keep costs down, making it possible to wear glasses underneath. The goggles might come with a single screen split by a nose piece, which still allows a decent FPV experience without breaking the bank. The N3 goggles are reportedly more lightweight and comfortable for extended wear. DJI has aimed to make FPV more approachable with a focus on ergonomic design, giving newcomers a taste of immersive flying without investing in high-end gear. Expected to be available in combo kits with accessories like the motion controller or the Neo FPV drone, the Goggles N3 will likely offer an affordable bundle for new FPV enthusiasts. Further expanding DJI's reach in the consumer market, sources suggest the Mavic 4 will feature a micro Four Thirds sensor, similar to the Mavic 3 series, but with upgrades in low-light performance and dynamic range. Some speculate it might even sport an APS-C sensor, which could provide DSLR-like quality. DJI is known for pushing flight time boundaries, and the Mavic 4 might offer up to 45 minutes on a single charge, with improved battery management for longer, more reliable flights. Blurry leaks have shown that the Mavic 4 retains DJI's signature foldable design but may come with subtle refinements for better aerodynamics and portability. Users can expect a more rugged body, potentially with water resistance, making it durable enough for harsh environments. Advanced safety features. The Mavic 4 is expected to include 360-degree obstacle detection with enhanced AI-driven object tracking, allowing smoother and safer flight paths. Early rumors suggest that the Mavic 4 could be priced in the range of $2,000 to $2,500. It's impossible to discuss DJI's new releases without touching on the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) hold on DJI products. This has affected their market presence in the U.S., leading to scarcity of DJI drones and accessories. DJI is actively engaging in legal negotiations to resolve the situation, and they're hoping that their new releases will hit U.S. shelves soon. Until then, international markets may have faster access to these innovations. Thank you for watching. If you're as excited about these releases as I am, let me know in the comments which DJI product you're most looking forward to. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media for more updates on the latest in tech and gear.